Okay, are you ready?
Yes, I am.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh my God! Oh my God, dude. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I am going to be taking a spin with my friend Chris here in his 911, 991, 992, what? 992, in his Hey guys, welcome back. Today is the day I've been waiting for a long time. I am filming my friend Chris's brand new 992, the C4S with the AeroKit in Carmine Red. It is such a gorgeous car. Let's go check it out.
Hi, I'm Chris. This is my 2020 992 4S. It is in Carmine Red, and it has one of the very first AeroKits to hit the US. I was actually the very first customer in the US to take delivery on an AeroKit. I think there's probably a few more out there now, but it's kind of cool to say that I was the first. So let's go take it for a spin.
The brand new Porsche 911 is the 992, as I'm sure we all know by now. Chris's model here is the Carrera 4S, four-wheel drives with the S engine. He has around 440 horses and about 390 foot-pounds of torque. It's an absolute beast when you put it alongside my C2 991. Starts at around 124,000 before you start putting the options onto it, and does 0 to 60 in a blistering 3.4 seconds. And with Chris's PDK and Sports Chrono, he can do that in 3.2. If you think back to the 991 and the 997, I mean, you're talking kind of GT car stats there, or at least the turbo trim, and you're getting this from the C4S. Chris's model here is in Carmine Red. You can get it in a whole host of different colors, but putting it alongside my naturally aspirated engine, you can tell that there are differences. My engine sound, my exhaust notes sound very different from this twin turbocharged engine, but that's not to say that it doesn't sound great, because it really does, and Chris here has the Porsche Sportster exhaust as well. Just an absolutely beautiful car. It was really exciting to shoot today. I hope you like it.
So guys, with social distancing, Chris and I have decided not to share a car. So for the first time ever, I'm going to be doing an auto amateur interview on walkie-talkies. So yeah, a first time ever interview on walkie-talkies. Chris, are you excited? We're breaking boundaries.
Yes, we're abiding by the laws of social distancing here, so yes.
So tell me a little bit about your car, Chris. What is it? How powerful is it? And you know, all that good stuff.
So it is a 2020 911 4S. It has 450 horsepower, 0 to 60, 3.5 seconds. I haven't confirmed that yet, but I'm confident that it's pretty quick, as you'll see with me smoking you in a few videos later in the video.
That's just mean. That's mean. That's pretty fast. That's pretty fast. And yes, I can say for the record that you absolutely smoked me every time. And in fact, the first time you did it, it was embarrassing. You just left me for dead. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, I am.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh my God. Oh my God, dude.
Yeah, it's nice to have a car that finally I can take just about anybody in the group.
I want to see you against Ben, and I want to see you against Mario. I think they'll be the two most interesting rides.
I think Ben, even with his tune, isn't going to catch up, but Mario, that's a wild card. I think I might beat him off the line, but with his V8, he'll take me over pretty quick.
Yeah, his car is scary. It's an absolute beast. It terrified me when I drove it. I don't know if that's an indicator of how fast it's going to be against you. But what are your 5 favorite things about the car so far?
Hands down, number 1, I love the sound. I thought that the 991.2 was really lacking. Obviously, I didn't have the sport exhaust on my Targa, but I just love the sound that's coming out of the back. 2 is going to have to be just the AeroKit and the uniqueness of the car. Everybody kind of thinks it's a, you know, some kind of a GT car. It's very, very cool. So I guess the power and just the coolness of the car is probably to round off my favorite things right now about it.
Well, that's 3. Are there only 3 things that you like about that car?
All right, so number 4, I guess, would be the tech. I love the larger screen, especially now with CarPlay. It's so nice. And all right, 6 or number 5 would just be the comfort of the vehicle.
Okay, I can live with all of those. I think that's really good. I am a big fan of the AeroKit, and obviously just how quick it is. The color, I think, as well, is definitely would be on, and your wheels would be on my list as well. I think I would have 7 favorite things. How about your the things that you don't like about it? Are there any things that you've come to discover that you don't like?
First and foremost, I think I'm regretting the fact that I did not get an front axle lift on the car. With PASM and having the car lowered 10 millimeters, I'm scraping on my driveway almost every time I pull in, even if I go in at an angle. So that is a regret right now, not having that front axle lift. And I guess if, you know, just a little couple things that I maybe would change. I maybe would have extended the deviated stitching inside to, you know, maybe include more, but really, honestly, not much more than that.
Now, I've got to ask, you know, on my list of dislikes for this car, it's the knee tickle. In fact, the key fob is tickling my knee right now. Do you have a knee tickle in your car?
No, I don't, but I have entry and drive, so I only have a little turn fob. I bet you I'm 7-8 inches away from any tickle that would be near my knee.
So there you go. There's another reason why I should upgrade to the 992. Well, that's awesome. So you're the first in the group to get a 992. Well, Andy, I suppose, beat you to it. But you know, from our founding father's point of view, from the original group, you're the first person with a 992. I can't wait to see you line up alongside the other guys.
Yeah, it's going to be fun. I'm happy to be out of my break-in point, and I feel like I can kind of open the car up again and really drive it the way it should be driven. So I'm excited to really have some fun drives now.
Awesome. Well, thanks a lot, Chris.
Oh, thank you.
Well, guys, that's it for another Auto Amateur video. I am in love with Chris's 992. Let's go check it out again.